To all, today our chapter is trigonometric identities. That is chapter number 18 from the book M.L. Agarwal for class 10. Okay, M.L. Agarwal for class 10. Exercise 18. Before going to exercise 18, trigonometrical identity, let me discuss some formula required for it. Okay, though you have completed in class 9, just see. Trigonometric identity, chapter 9, chapter 18, formula required. First of all, T ratio. T ratio means trigonometrical ratio. First to draw one right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Let the angle theta. DC angle be theta, acute angle. 90° front side is hypotenuse, that is denoted by H. Angle, the theta that you will consider, that angle front side is perpendicular, P. And adjacent side is base, that is denoted by small b. Therefore, first one is sin theta. Sin theta is P by S. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta, which is equal to H by P. Cos theta is B by H, base by hypotenuse. Reciprocal is sec theta, that is H by B. Tan theta, perpendicular by base. Reciprocal of tan theta is cos theta, which is equal to B by P. Now come to reciprocal relation. These are T ratio, 6 T ratio. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Now reciprocal relation is sin is equal to 1 by cosec and cosec is equal to 1 by sin. If you multiply sin and cosec, you will get 1. Second one, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta and sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. If you multiply sec and cos, that will be 1. Third one, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan. Reciprocal each other. Therefore, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Next one, quotient relation. Tan theta is equal to P by B. Dividing H both sides, P by H is equal to B by H. P by H is nothing but cos theta, B by H is nothing but cos theta. Therefore, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Therefore, it is equal to quotient. Relation is quotient relation. Cot theta means B by P. Dividing H both sides, B by H divided by P by H. P by H, B by H, that is cos theta. P by H, that is sin theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to cos by sin. Next, come to the square relation. Square relation is first one is sin square plus cos square equal to 1. From there you can derive other relation, that is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square. Cos square equal to 1 minus sin square. Okay. This two also can be derived from here. Next, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is the main. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. And sec theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta root over. And tan square theta will be how much? Sec square theta minus, and these are formula you have to memorize. Third one, cosec square minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, cosec square equal to 1 plus cot square and cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Now come to the exercise 18. Exercise 18, first question, what is given? Just to see. Given sin A equal to 3 by 5 and you have to find out other T ratio. Sin A already given 3 by 5. By using the formula cos A is equal to 1 minus sin square A root over 1 minus 3 by 5 ka whole square root over, it will be 4 by 5. Okay. Tan means sin by cos. Just divide 3 by 5 divided by 4. It is coming 3 by 4. Cot is 1 by tan. Reciprocal of tan, that is 4 by 3. Cosec is sin ka reciprocal 5 by 3. Sec means cos ka reciprocal means 5 by 4. In this way, question number 1 completed. Let's go question number 2. Question number 2, sec A given 17 by 8. You have to find out other T ratio, trigonometric ratio. Cos A is equal to how much? 1 by sec, reciprocal of sec, that will be 8 by 17. Now you can find sin A is equal to 1 minus cos square A root over. Okay, after calculating you are getting 15 by 17. Now come to tan A. Tan A means sin A by cos A, it is coming 15 by 8. Cosec is equal to 1 by sin A, which is equal to 17 by 15. Cot means 1 by tan ka reciprocal 1 by tan. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan. It is coming 8 by 15. Question number 3. 12 cosec theta is equal to 13. And you have to find out 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta ka value. As it is given 12 cos theta equal to 13, therefore 12 cosec theta is equal to 13. Therefore cosec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Sin theta will be reciprocal of cosec theta, it will be 12 by 13. After finding sin theta, you can find cos theta, that is 1 minus sin square theta ka root over 1 minus 12 by 13 ka whole square ka root over, it is coming 5 by 13. Now put the value of sin theta and cos theta, that you have to find out. 2 into 12 by 13 minus 3 into 5 by 13 divided by 4 into 12 by 13 minus 9 into 5 by 13. After simplification, it is coming, just to see. 9 by 3 means 3. Question number 3 completed. Let's come to question number 4. You have to evaluate. Evaluate the following. Cos square 26 plus cos 64 into sin 26 plus tan 36 by cos 54. Cos square 26, keep it here like that. 64 you break 90 minus 26. Cos 90 minus 26 means sin 26. Sin 26, here sin 26 is coming sin square 26. Cos square 26 plus sin square 26, it is equal to 1, as it is formalized sin square plus cos square theta equal to 1. And here you have to break tan. 36 means 90 minus 54. 36 you have to write 90 minus 50. Tan 90 minus 54 is how much? Cot 54. Cot by cot 1, same. Answer coming 2. Next second part. Sec 17 by cosec 73 plus tan 68 by cos 22 plus cos square 44 plus cos square 46. You have to evaluate. Just break 17 means 90 minus 73. Sec 90 minus 73 means cosec 73 by cosec 73. It will cancel. Now tan 68 is मतलब tan 20 90 minus 22. Tan 90 minus 22 is cot 22. Cot 22 by cot cancel out. It will be 1. Now cos square 44 means 90 minus 46 plus cos square 46. Cos square 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin. That means sin square 46 plus cos square 46 equal to 1. It is coming 3. Number 5, first part. Sin 65 by cos 25 plus cos 32 by sin 58 minus sin 28 into sec 62 plus cosec square 30 degree. Cosec 30 is how much? 2. That whole square, 2 ka whole square. Directly written. 65 you have to break 90 minus 25. Sin 90 minus 25 means cos 25. Cos cancel. Next one, cos 35 means you can write cos 90 minus 58. Cos 90 minus 58 sin 58. Sin 58 by sin cancel out. 1 plus 1 it will be. And this is sin 28. Sec 90 minus 28 is how much? 62 you have to break 90 minus 28. Sec 90 minus 28 means cosec. Sin 28 into cosec 28 will be 1. And this is 4. 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 is coming 5. Okay. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 1 plus 4 5. Answer coming 5. 5 ka second part. Just see. Sixth, number 6 first part it is given sin 35 into cos 55 plus cos 35 into sin 55 by cosec square 10 minus tan square 80. Just to break 55. 55 means 90 minus 35 and cos 90 minus 35 means sin 35. Sin 35 into sin 35. Same procedure here you have to break 55. 90 minus 35 means sin 90 minus 35 means cos 35. Cos 35 into cos, it will be cos square 35 and here sin square 35. Sin square 35 plus cos square theta is coming 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta also 1. You have to break 10. 10 means 90 minus 80. Cosec 90 minus 80 means sec. Sec 80. Sec 80 minus tan 80. Sec square 80 minus tan square 80. 1. Okay. Let us go next question. Second part. Second part. Sin square 34 plus sin square 56 plus 2 tan 18 into tan 72 minus cos square 30. Sin square 34 plus sin square 56 means 90 minus 34 plus 2 tan 18 into tan 72. 72 you have to break 90 minus 18 minus cot 30 is root 3 ka whole square. Root 3 whole square 3. Sin square 34 sin 90 minus theta is how much? Cos square 34. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now 2 tan 18 this will be cot 18. Tan into cot how much? 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Sin square plus cos square 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 minus 3 0. 7 first part. Tan 25 by cosec 65 का whole square plus cot 25 by sec 65 का whole square plus 2 tan 18 into tan 45 into tan 72. Tan 45 is 1, 2 tan 18, 72 you have to break 90 minus 18. Okay. 2 tan 18, tan 90 minus 18 means cot 18. Tan 18, cot 18 1, that means 2 into 1. This one is break 65 you have to break 90 minus 25. Cosec 90 minus 20 is sec 25. Tan 25 by sec 20 means tan means sin by cos, this will be 1 by cos. By cos cancel, only left sin. Means square, sin square 25. Cot 25, this will be sec 90 minus 25. 65 we are breaking. Coming cosec 25. Cot means cos by sin, cosec means 1 by sin. By sin cancel, cos square 25. Sin square plus cos square 1, 1 plus 2 coming 3. This question comes. First part complete. Second part. Second part of the same process you have to solve. Cos square 25 plus cos square 65. You have to break 25. 90 minus 65. Cos square 90 minus 65 means sin square 65. This one is cos square 65. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. This one cosec theta into sec 90 minus. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Cosec into cosec, cosec square. Minus cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is how much? Cot theta. Cot theta into cot theta, cot square. Cosec square minus cot square 1. And sin square plus cos square 1. 1 plus 1, 2 coming. Next question you have to prove the following identities. First part, number 8, first part. Sec a plus tan a whole into 1 minus sin a. You have to prove equal to cos a. The first one, right, left hand side, what is given? Sec a plus tan a. Sec means 1 by cos a. Tan means sin by cos. Whole into 1 minus sin a. Take LCM, this will be cos a. 1 plus sin a by cos a. 1 plus sin a, you have to multiply 1 minus sin a, this one. Whole divided by cot a, because cos a is the LCM. It is coming 1 minus sin square by cos a. 1 minus sin square is nothing but cos square. Cos square a by cos a, which is equal to cos a, which is nothing but your right hand side, that you have to prove. Number 8, first part completed. Just use second part. Second part question given. 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a. 1 minus sin a whole into 1 plus sin a is equal to 1, you have to prove. This is the question. First to copy left hand side, that is 1 plus tan square a. 1 minus sin a whole into 1 plus sin a. Now you see 1 plus tan square means sec square a as per the formula. And this is 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a means 1 minus sin square a. Now sec square a, 1 minus sin square is cos square a. Sec into cos 1, therefore this is coming 1, which is equal to right hand side. In this way, question number 8, second part completed. Okay. Today I have completed up to 8. Thank you for today class. Next day I will do remaining part of this exercise.